What's up, guys? I made this video because sometimes you may have clients that come in every week, and it's actually, in my opinion, a little bit harder to get a fresh lineup when someone comes in every 7 days. So here I'm just showing you my approach on how I still get everything sharp by taking off the minimal amount of hair. It's all about pulling the skin tight and stretching the skin so that you can expose those hairs that you need to cut. I mean, let's be honest, every 7 days is pretty frequent, and in my opinion, you don't need to come every week, but for those that do, you still have to give them a crispy lineup without digging into the hairline. I'm more so just gonna let you guys watch, and maybe this will help you better with your approach, just seeing how minimal I am with cutting off hair. By the way, if you're new to this channel, there are over 300 different tutorials that I've done, so be sure to check all of those out over a number of different hairstyles and hair types. And see, as you can see right here, his lineup hasn't even grown back that much. However, what the client wants, the client gets. So if they come every week, just do your best to keep everything where it already is. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. All right, so start back from the middle and then continue to go to the other side, making those adjustments as needed. And really all you're doing is following that guide that you had from the previous week. The main temptation will not be chasing those few extra hairs to get it super crisp, but you want to maintain what you have. And then here, we're just sharpening things up with the razor line. And here is the end result. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Comment what other videos you guys want to see, and I will catch you all on the next video.